All right, so we're gonna demonstrate real quick how to put on the short fender onto our Springer front ends. The easiest way to do is if you look at our fender, there's a little duckbill tail, and that's how you locate the rear of the fender. This nut and clamp is actually going to go get pushed into this stem. You'll see a hole right here. So we're going to run a bolt through this hole into this nut. 5mm Allen. And just keep winding it in until you see it protrude out the opposite side. You're always going to want to make sure that you put this fender on before you put the wheel on, like most of our other bikes. It's just going to make your day a lot easier instead of having to deflate the tire and try and squeeze an Allen wrench in there. All right, so we have it protruding a little bit, but you want to make sure that this is tight. All right, we're going to include an acorn nut, and you're going to take a 10mm and fasten that nut snugly. Now, once you get your tire on, there's a little room for adjustment. You want to make sure you have equal distance between the front of the tire and the top of the tire and the front of the fender, and the back of the tire and the back of the fender. So you can just make little adjustments as you need to and then snug everything down. But that's how you put on a front fender on a Springer front end.